Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. I'm pretty sure this is up after the new year, so hopefully your holidays were great. And I just wanted to share some things that I was working on. I do need to, and I don't know how many times I have said this, but to start using my stash. Totally start using my stash. And so I've had some collections from the Stamps of Life that I just had some paper and scraps left in the collection that I was holding on to for I don't know what reason. But I sat down and started making some backgrounds for some A2 cards that I want to have in my stash. So I'm just going to share real quickly. I did have some papers from this What's Up collection. It doesn't have like what the year was that it came out on this. But yeah, so this was the papers in the pad, and the collection had these birds, these jars, these balloons, and these cats and dogs, the pudgy cats and dogs, I believe. But, so these are the cards I got out of that pack, or you know, whatever scraps I had left. Some of them I've made cards, some of them I've just made the card base and I just need to attach them. No, some of them I made the card front, I just need to attach them to a card base. And so really quickly, these ones are the cards that I need to attach to the base still. And yeah, so you can see I do use scraps. Well, not scraps, but when I cut these kind of background pieces out, I cut them out of my 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 card bases, so that, because I know I'm going to cover them. And so that's how I do that. Here's another. Just thank you so very much. Here's another one. Here's another one. And they're just real simple. I have some embellishments that I have from other kits, so I've added them here. And then these ones I've added to card bases. No reason, just I did. And they're blank inside. I still need to add my stamp on the back. And I have lots of ribbon because I hardly use the ribbon that ever comes in the kit. So I'm thinking of destashing all the ribbon that I haven't opened yet, and then concentrating on embellishing with ribbons going forward. But I also have, so let me just see if I can find one that, you know, started off with before I started making the bases. Okay, so something like this. I think I feel like I only have a little bit of stuff left for this collection. And so I would add these. I have a box of Stamps of Life embellishments from the kits that I haven't used. So I just add those to this box. But here's the paper pad, and here's the scraps that I have left. And so just not too many sheets left, maybe 5 or 6. And so what I'd end up doing is breaking them down and making these card bases. And so like here, I broke them down and started making these card bases. And this one is from the Love You collection. And so these are the card bases I've come up with. And so I just need to embellish them with a statement, sentiment. And you can see a lot of them are with the strips because that's usually what I have a lot of scraps left of. So that one there. And then I've also got some from the, oh, you saw that, the What's Up collection. I've also got some of these from the Fabulous collection. And I have a few that I just need to add the sentiments on. See, but they're all like, I've used them to die cut stuff out. So I need to pay attention to that with the bird cages. I don't want them to be upside down. And there, so that's what I'm going to be working on, trying to get fronts on these cards. Here's another one. This is the last one that I started breaking down and making these cards with. Yep. So hopefully you guys are having a crafty day. This inspires you to break into some of your collections. Start breaking them down so it's easier for you. I'll be back when I complete these cards, and I'll show you the video of them completed. So until my next video, hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!